Hello viewers, you're welcome. We want to solve this logarithmic equation here. So therefore, what are we going to do? So now we can see that we are having the same basis like this. So we are going to use the law that says when you have log of A, okay, minus log of B, you know that this is going to give us log of A over B. So that's what we are going to use there. I'm going to be having log base 5 x, that's I can have this to be x into bracket x plus 1, trying to factorize the x from here, then divided by I have x plus 1 here, then everything equals 2, right? So from here to the next thing I'm going to do is, so I can rewrite this to be log base 5. I have this x plus 1, cancel this x plus 1 because they are the same. So I'm going to be having x, okay, equals, I have what? I have these 2 here. So now here I can rewrite this like log 5 to the power of 25, because this 25 is same thing as 5 to the power of 2. So these 2 will still come down, so we have this. So therefore from there, look at this, we are having the same basis. So therefore we are going to equate the argument. X is going to be what? 25. So, and that is the solution to the problem. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this class, kindly share to your colleagues so they can benefit from it. Hit on the bell icon if you have not done that before. Bye bye.